Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Begin by assembling ingredients. Use 2 cups dried beans or 4 cups cooked beans, 1 cup chopped onion, and 4 cloves garlic. Rinse beans and remove debris. Soak 2 cups dried beans in cold water for 8 to 12 hours, or use a quick soak by boiling for 2 minutes then resting 1 hour. Drain and rinse soaked beans. Prepare aromatics. Mince garlic and chop onion. Measure 1 teaspoon ground cumin and 1 teaspoon salt. Salt 1 teaspoon after cooking, not during initial boiling, to prevent tough skin. Place soaked beans in a pot with 6 cups water or stock. Add 1 bay leaf and 1 teaspoon ground cumin, then bring to a boil and reduce to a simmer for 60 to 90 minutes until tender. Remove the bay leaf and reserve 1/2 cup cooking liquid. Puree half the cooked beans with 1/2 cup cooking liquid until smooth, then stir back into the pot for a thicker consistency. Finish with 2 tablespoons olive oil and 1 tablespoon lemon juice to brighten flavor, adjusting salt to taste. Use bean sauce as a main or condiment. Serve warm over rice, pasta, or as a dip with pita or vegetables. To store, cool to room temperature, then refrigerate in an airtight container up to 5 days or freeze in portions up to 3 months. Label with date. Reheat gently on low heat with 1 to 2 tablespoons water per cup to restore texture, stirring frequently. For variation, add 1/2 cup roasted red peppers or 1 teaspoon smoked paprika for depth, and garnish with chopped parsley or 1 tablespoon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.